paragraph number 2. In addition to the above, reliance is also placed on the Manual of Parliamentary Procedures issued by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs in July 2019, which contains a specific chapter, Chapter 9, titled Legislation. My apologies for the speed. I'm just trying to keep up with time here, please. The said chapter spells out in great detail the steps to be undertaken in promulgating a legislation. Critically, Clause 9.2 deals with the pre-drafting stage of a legislative proposal, which is divided into 4 broad stages that include consultation between the concerned ministry to which the legislative proposal relates and the Ministry of Law and Justice. Critically, the latter ministry shall review the legislative proposal for legal and constitutional feasibility, validity, as also, and here I quote, necessity and desirability of such a proposal. Clause 9.5 envisages approval of the cabinet followed by an assessment under Clause 9.6 of the expenditure involved. Critically, Clause 9.7.1 envisages securing the recommendation of the Honorable President after the introduction of the bill, which is different from the assent sought under Article 111. Then, my lords, Clause 9.12 speaks of the possible referral of that particular bill to a select committee or a joint committee or for circulation for public opinion. If I may say so, and I say this with the deepest of respect and the greatest of humility that I can command at this point, that the judicial mechanism cannot be a substitute to any of these steps, especially when it comes to such a serious issue. And I draw from Hindu law here that the purpose of marriage or the object of dampatya is a child, is procreation. Now, therefore, comes the central question with respect to all the permutations and combinations which my lords posed by way of circumstances. What happens to a single child? What happens to a single parent? What happens if it's a homosexual single parent? So on and so forth. Allow me to answer this question in a slightly different fashion.